Before we get started in this video, I did create a brand new Forex training that is 100% free. If you want it, click the link in my description. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do. There should be a button below. And also, follow me on Instagram right here. If you have any questions or need any help with trading, feel free to shoot me a message. Now let's get into this video. Before we get started, if you want to learn how to trade, check out my website, rorfx.com. Once you click join now, it's going to take you to the product. It's FX University. This is everything that you're going to get. And when you go to get started, this is going to take you to the checkout page. But I'm going to give you guys a promo code for 15% off. If you go right here and you type in FX1, it's going to give you 15% off. So let's get into the video. I can't tell you guys how amazing the markets have been lately for US 30, and it's so crazy how sometimes the market is just crap with US 30 and you can't get a good trade. It's just all over the place. I'm going to really backtest with you guys too on the 5-minute chart at this specific time. Now, there is a very specific time when you could spot reversals on US 30 in a lot of other currency pairs, and what I suggest that you guys do is kind of backtest on your own when you have time. But the time is 6:45 a.m. and usually a reversal candle will appear at that time on the minute 5 and or the minute 15 chart. Now we could see right here that this was a bullish candle. It was a nice reversal candle, and right after that we have that big push. Now notice how this candle closed at 6:45. That candle gave us a lot of confirmation and told us, like, do you know what? This market's going to go up right after this candle. And it did. We had a very big push up. If you would have went into this trade, the risk would have been 430 pips, which is not bad. And if you guys know me, I have my psychological levels marked up. So right here, this is where I would have targeted this psychological level right here. It would have been about a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but still a really good setup. Within 10 minutes, you are up over 600 pips on that one trade. Okay. Another good time that you guys could be looking at is 7 a.m. So it's 6:45 and 7 a.m. And these times are my time in California. So it's a PST time zone. So if you're in the East Coast, it's 3 hours ahead of you. Okay. So right here we can see what time is this. We have two reversal dojis right here, spinning tops, whatever you want to call them. But look at the time. This candle opened at 6:55 and it closed at 7 a.m. So that's our key time right there as well, 7 a.m. So I'm going to go and backtest for this week, those times right there in particular. And we're going to see how they played out on the minute 5. And then we'll go into the minute 15. Okay, so this was today, Thursday. Now let's go back to Wednesday. I did a video yesterday as well on Wednesday. Okay, so we're going to be looking for those key times, 6:45 and 7 a.m. So this was 6:40, about 5 minutes before, so you could have still taken that trade. What I'm overall looking for when I trade are reversal candles. I'm looking for that reversal candle, and that's where I saw that beautiful reversal candle right there. It just came 5 minutes early. Okay, then we have this 7 a.m., this 6:55 to 7 a.m. beautiful reversal candle. Before that, we even had a bullish candle. And this is basically saying, like, do you know what, guys, like, trading wise, we have our higher high, then our higher low. Then we have a new higher high, then a new higher low. So this was just a higher low, and we knew that it was going to go and tap this higher high right here. And what did it do? Boom. It blew past that higher high right there. So that was a really good setup as well. Okay, let me delete these. Okay. That was Wednesday. Now let's go to Tuesday. Once again, 6:45 and 7 a.m. are our key times we're looking at. Okay, this was 6:45 right here. This was a continuation candle, so you could have taken that and been like, do you know what? We have a big bullish candle. It broke its previous resistance. I'm going to go with the trend. Since we're already in an uptrend, I'm going to just ride this continuation up to the upside. That's exactly what you could have done. Where's that 7 a.m.? Okay, here's a 6:55 right here. Nice continuation candle once again. Could have just rode the momentum and it kept going up. Now that was Tuesday. Now let's go to Monday and we'll switch to the minute 15. Okay, right here we have our 6:45 to 6:50 a.m. candle, another reversal candle. Would have been kind of hard to see, but overall we had a doji before it back. So it's really telling us like, look, the market's overbought. Even looking at the stochastics as well, they are overbought as well. So this would have been a nice setup to take right here. Now let's go to the minute 15 chart and we'll start with Monday and then we'll go to Tuesday. Okay, Monday was 18th, so let's go there. Okay, 6:45. See, it's hard sometimes on the 15-minute to see. So this is our 6:30 to 6:45 no reversal candle. And then we have our 6:45 to 7 a.m. candle right here. Bearish candle, but that would have been a major stop or a big stop loss right there if you were to take in that market execution. So I would have passed. Okay. Then let's look for our 6:45, 6:30 to 6:45. Probably would have passed since we have a major, it's a very big candle right there. It would have been a big stop loss. Same with the 6:45 to 7 a.m. would have passed. So sometimes on the minute 15, it's a lot harder to see versus the minute 5. And sorry about the notifications, guys. Okay, right here, 6:30 to 6:45. So this would have been a nice candle if only the wick was a million times smaller, because that is a big stop loss we're going to have, and we didn't even see the reaction quite well. So on this trade right here, I think I would have taken a buy. I would have been patient on that trade. I would have passed because the stops would have been so big, and I would have waited to see what how the next candle closed. And overall, we were in an uptrend. So this candle right here, the 6:45 to 7 a.m. would have been a very nice candle to enter on, honestly, guys. Okay. Then this is today on the minute 15, 6:45 to 7 a.m. Yeah, kind of hard to see. So I honestly favor the minute 5. That's my favorite time frame to trade off of. The setups are just so clean there, and it's really easy to see these setups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now what you should do is go and back test those times that I gave you on the minute 5 and the minute 15 on a pair of your choice. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.